Hi guys, it's Sofia. I'm a FASHIONPHILE procurement specialist. I'm excited to share something special with you today. I'm here at our Carlsbad showroom and we just got an exciting delivery. We've just received a highly anticipated it bag from Chanel, the Mini Chanel 22. I'm excited to unbox it with you guys and discover what makes it so unique. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon below to be notified of future new videos. Okay, let's unbox this gem. This, you guys, is the most coveted bag of the season in my opinion. So this one comes with the box, which means it also comes with the Chanel tissue. And it also comes with the dust bag. And here it is, the Chanel Mini 22. So gorgeous. It comes with the long chain and strap and as well as the smaller chain. All right, so now that we've unboxed it, let's head back to the studio to get more into this popular bag. The Chanel Mini 22 is a smaller version of the classic Chanel 22. This one measures 7.8 inches in length, 7.5 inches in height, and 2.3 inches in width. There are so many cool details, like this iconic medallion which hangs from one of the shorter straps, and also the leather and chain straps for the longer ones. Just by looking at it, I can tell it's a super versatile bag. You can wear it as a crossbody, as a shoulder bag, or you can tuck in the long straps and carry the bag on your arm with the shorter straps like this. I also love that the Mini 22 has the same quilted pattern as the classic Chanel 22. It even has the signature Chanel logo on the front, like this one does. And there is a small slip pocket inside, but it doesn't come with a matching removable pouch like the regular 22 does. The bag is made of high quality leather, of course. For any Chanel lovers watching this, you probably already know that this bag comes in other colorways. The black version with the pearls is super coveted, and the metallics are also popular and retail for a little bit more. The shape and the structure remind me of the Goyard Mini Anjou bag. While I have this bag with me, I might as well see what fits inside. So let's take a look. As you can see, the Mini 22 can hold the basics such as your phone, some fun sunglasses like these foldable ones, and even a compact wallet like this one, or a cute little card holder like this one. So this can hold the basics, everything you need from a coffee run to a dinner date. So what makes the Chanel Mini 22 so sought after? Well, I believe it's a combination of things. Chanel only releases a limited number of bags each season, and these have been selling out quickly, most of them as pre-orders. So upon release, it's been super hard to get your hands on. And that's it for today's unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you're looking for more in-depth guides on top selling styles, be sure to check out our channel. We have lots of videos, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. In my next video, should we take a closer look at another Chanel bag or maybe explore a different brand? Let us know in the comments below. Bye for now.